So I'm finally getting around to blocking earrings I made either last week, the week before. So here are the earrings. Yeah. And here are the tools I'm going to use. The scissors to finish cutting off the parts I have tucked in or weaved in. The little ends. And then this is the white glue I'm going to use. This is the cup I'm going to use to mix the water to use to mix with the white glue. Since they're only earrings, I'm going to just use some push pins instead of the sticks to block them. The blocking board I bought from Amazon, and this is an old crochet needle just to mix up the mixture. So the pattern or the article I read said mix 3 parts glue and 1 part water. So here's the water. I'm going to pour it in here with the glue. Mix it up, and hopefully this goes right. If not, I have the same yarn and I can make these earrings over, but we're going to test it out and see how it works. And I'll let you know what happens. 3 parts glue, so I could have just, I don't want to use too much glue, but I do want to coat the bottom. See how this turns out. And I put like a 1/4 cup of water. So, let's see. And mix it up. I didn't use the whole 1/4 of a cup. I'm not sure how the solution will turn out. It looks very watery. So, first let me cut off these ends. That should have cut off. Well, there's none sticking out on this earring, but this one has a couple pieces. So that's done. This just has a lot of this one. Any other spaces? Nothing else sticking out on this one. So that's done. This one. Some spaces. I think this one's done. And I think I cut out everything from this one. So I'll take this off, put some little push pins out. They said to dip it in here. We'll see how this goes. I'm gonna dip this one first. Well, it seems like a lot. I'm already feeling like this is too much, but we'll see. Oh, you're supposed to let it air dry, so. So I'm gonna put it right next to each other. And let's get this side. This. So those earrings are done. Let's do these big ones. Dip them in here. That might be. I might need to add some more because I've used up all the solution. I didn't think it was going to soak it all up, but this one, let's see. Push this right here. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, and I'm gonna mix a little more glue for the white earrings. Not that much. And I'm only doing this to hopefully stiffen up the earrings so they don't end up curved like this permanently. So that's why I'm doing this. Hopefully it works. Hopefully this isn't a big fail. I don't want to stretch them too much. I don't like, yeah. All right. So I'm going to let these sit here. You see they're pinned on. I'm going to let these sit here. They said let it air dry, and we'll see what they look like tomorrow when I come back to them. So it's the next day, and I'm going to take this off and see what we're working with these earrings. So start with this one. I can already tell I did too much and it's going to be a fail. But I was going to trial and error. It stuck. This is my fail. But the earring is very much stiff. So it stayed. I think I just used too many push pins. That's why it feels so stiff. Or maybe it was just too much, way too much glue. But we have to learn from our mistakes. So if I do this again next time, see, very much stiff. If I do this again next time, I won't use as much glue. Now that I know they are super duper stiff, I don't know what I was expecting, to be honest, guys. So, take all these off. I made the shape weird, but that's these two. And then the last earrings. Alright, the circle ones. So I guess this is it did what I asked. This stiffened the earrings. Just a little too stiff for me, I guess. So partial fail, partial successful. But I just wanted to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I guess my tip from my end is next time I'll use less glue so it won't be as stiff. But it did the trick. The earrings are flat like I wanted them, so I guess that is a plus. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great day, guys.